Looking for a reliable dumpster rental in Muncie, Indiana? Look no further than Salty Dog Trash. Whether renovating your home, clearing out your garage, or managing a construction site, Salty Dog Trash provides the perfect-sized dumpsters to meet your needs. Our dumpster range includes options for every type of project. From small home cleanouts to large construction debris, we can handle it all efficiently. Our professional and prompt delivery service ensures you get your dumpster when and where you need it. At Salty Dog Trash, we offer reasonable prices that individuals in Muncie, Indiana, and surrounding communities can rely on. We care about your property. Our team takes extra precautions to place your dumpster carefully and protect the area. Hear it from our satisfied customers. They trust us for our reliability, exceptional customer service, and commitment to sustainability. Booking with us is simple. Visit our website at www.saltydogtrash.com. Dumpster Rental Muncie IN. Choose your dumpster size and schedule a drop-off date. It's that easy. Or call us today at 317-660-5099. Our team of experts is available to answer any questions you may have about our trash services. For your next cleanup project, remember Salty Dog Trash. Let us help you take out the trash the easy way.